Hi guys,
Buongiorno.
it's our third day in Naples.
Today we are going to visit Vesuvius Volcano and the old city Pompeii, which was destroyed by this volcano, so they kind of connected. Also, we think about visit that place called Heracleum Archaeological Area, but you have two options how to get to Volcano. You can go on the train to this area, Heracleum, or you can go to Pompeii and go to Volcano from there. So we decided to go to Pompeii because it's just more famous place and it looks more interesting.
Yeah, we'll see. If we have some stamina left, some powers left, we will go to Heracleum also.
We're not sure how to get there to the volcano, so we're going to train station, we go to Pompeii on the train and we'll figure it out at the place.
Yeah, we'll see.
So we reached this station, it's called Monte Santo, and for the ticket to Pompeii it costs how much?
280.
280. So let's go.
It's crazy hot in here.
Yeah, you can see I'm sweating. Hey guys, we reached the Pompeii city. The one problem is I forgot to save point marks on the map which we want to visit, so I think we're just walking around and see what we can see. We've seen map on the wall with archaeological areas, and so we will try to go there. This place is pretty quiet compared to Naples.
So we've reached Pompeii, but we didn't do a good research before, and it turns out that you have to go to the museum, and it's really big, and probably you should spend full day there, and the ticket entrance is 15 euro. So we just have about half an hour before the last bus to Vesuvius, so we decided to skip Pompeii, maybe go here next time. And so instead we decided to go to Vesuvius Volcano. We already bought some tickets to the bus because you have to buy a ticket to the shuttle to go there. You can't just walk on the volcano. And the last bus goes at 5, which is in 40 minutes. So we need to hurry up. We decided to get some food and go to see volcano.
So a little bit about prices here. To go to Vesuvius you need to pay 20 euro, 10 euro to reach the top and 10 euro to return back for each person. But the guy at the tourist office gave us a discount for 10 euros, so we, as a couple, we paid 30. To the entrance of the Pompeii area you need to pay 15 euros per entrance, and if you want to when you reach the volcano top, you can walk around a small area, 200 meters, but if you want to go to see the crater and all over the top of crater, you need to pay extra 10 euros per each person.
There is no discount.
And there is no discount. you need to remember that fact if you want to go to Pompeii area. It's really huge, so you need to get here earlier, as early as you can. We made this mistake, so we can get in there.
Yeah, usually people can spend almost all day here in Pompeii visiting all the districts, but normal tourists usually spend around 2 to 3 hours, and we only had about 40 minutes, so it was not worth going in. We're going to the volcano just over there.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
So, as we were getting up and up, higher and higher, the view almost all is closed in clouds and smoke. So you can't see anything behind you and down. We'll see what's up.
It's pretty chilly, yeah?
Yeah, a little, but still it's quite hot. It's hard to walk up, so we are getting quite sweaty.
Beyond gravel.
So we almost made it. You need to be careful because even if you go to the bus, you need to walk by your legs. I think at least 15 minutes on the top by the sand and rocks.
Yeah, because there is no way any transport could get here.
Yeah, so it's pretty excited. The view is magnificent. It's my first volcano in the in my life. Yeah, and it's, I think, almost one of the popular volcano in the world, one of the famous one.
Maybe one of the biggest one. Too? No?
I'm not sure.
Okay, it destroyed 2 cities,
Yeah.
so it's quite famous.
So, yeah.
On our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
So we are on top. It's the end of the road. It's not like around the crater as they think. So I think it's about 30 minutes all road.
Yeah, from the bus to here it took about half an hour.
Yeah.
And we made it to the top. You can't go around the crater, but you can go like halfway and then you have to go back.
Yeah, but it's pretty cool. The view is fantastic. So
it's a little bit cloudy here, so we were told that we will see all the Naples and all the Pompeii from here.
Yeah.
But
we didn't see it.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit, but it's very cloudy. We are above the clouds here. Also, there is a little smoke going from the Vesuvius, probably, maybe not.
Yeah.
So the view is nice, but not the best.
But it's better when you see it by your own eyes. On photo and video, it's
it's not
like
same.
blurry or something.
Actually, there you can see two here at the top of the Vesuvius volcano. There is two ravens,
Yeah,
dark ones, which are flying around and making
yeah, they're like gorgeous.
quite
Like,
scary.
yeah. So this is a crater. It's not so deep.
Reaching for the ground, as willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
When we were at the top of the volcano, some guy arrived and he said that it's volcano closing time, so everybody has to go back. Everybody have to go down. Going down from the volcano. Oh no.
It's pretty hard for me.
Yeah, after you hiked up for half an hour to the volcano, you still have to go down. And nobody cares if you're like tired or whatever.
Yeah. Hey man, it's the typical citizen of volcano. Arrivederci volcano.
Beyond gravel, beyond hope. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
As we have some time to kill before our train back to Naples, we decided to buy some ice cream. It's served in typical Neapolitan dessert, stracciatella or something like this.
Oh, it's already leaked.
Show it. Like.
So our trip to Pompei and Vesuvius almost ends. Our train in 15 minutes, so we're going to go home. We ate a really tasty ice cream near the Pompei entrance, so let's go home to Naples. Volatile, you know. So yeah.